Hello UK lock spots and fellow pickers. Yes, I'll be picking this CORBIN lock sent to me by SUBSONIC 1050, but don't have a working key. I think I've got one, but I've put it somewhere, so I'm just going to show you that it's locked up. As you can see, it's locked up. It's a homemade bicycle spoke tension wrench. Now this lock is a bit tricky. Sometimes it picks easily, then sometimes it doesn't. Anyway, I'll be using Capiche's pick, one of my favorites. So we're looking for a fault set there. I've got a little bit of a fault set. There, I've got a big fault set. Now here's where the fun starts. The pins. There, I had it then. There you go. Picked open, as you can see. That's the CORBIN. It's not a very hard lock, but quite decent. Fun to pick.